G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Today we're talking about hope, greed, fear, and pain. So waking up this morning, we got massive moves on day 3. We have markets that have had false breaks at the tops of opening ranges and just dumped for the entire London session. We've had inside bar on gold that broke out at the low of the day and then reversed. Huge reversal in London in line with that strong reversal on gold. So we've got markets that are basically not aligning with traditional, US dollar. We're showing strength on certain pairs. Gold's strong, index is tanked. We get into the US session and we had a few pre-market opportunities on gold, but we had PPI retail sales and not a huge amount of explosive volatility. Markets had already had huge ranges and already blown out their ADRs, but we have our 3-day setups. And two go-to setups when I talk about this, whenever there's uncertainty, there's two things that I focus on. Number one, low-hanging fruit. Don't try to counter trend markets that are absolutely out of balance that bad and tanking. And number two, nailing and bailing, meaning that if you get an opportunity for a continuation trade that goes vertical after the news. Oil was a great example. I talk about this sometimes when there's complete uncertainty and we have major red news. I'll look at oil because it may not react as much as other instruments such as the indexes, currencies, and gold. So that was an easy follow-through trade, the low-hanging fruit. Then we had gold heading into the New York Open, had broken the backside. We have a huge trending market. A huge trending market that's, that market could continue to go. I have no idea, but it's a very strong trend. But we broke the front side of the move right before the New York Open. They brought it back up in the first few minutes and engulfed, and that blew off for 50 pips into the low of the session, the higher low of the session in that first hour. So a couple traders messaged, said they got stopped out and break even. And my question is this: when you get a gift and it's 50 pips in 15 minutes and you can make a week's in what average person make in a week in 15 minutes, why wouldn't you take the money? The whole idea is rinse and repeat, scale it up in size. But the problem is you get, hope. You hope that you're in the right trade. Then you get into the right trade, and then there's greed. And then there's fear that it might come back against you, or fear of getting in. Some traders didn't take the trade because they have fear because it's been such a strong market. Fear is the narrative that drives everything. This Credit Suisse and all these things, I don't even look at that. Who cares? Look at the chart. Look at the timing. New York Open, bang, 50 pips in less than 15 minutes. They take out the low of the session, they go sideways at double zeros, and they come back up and get the trader who was in the money. So my thesis is this: nail and bail. Whenever we get into markets that are that distended and I have an opportunity for easy money, I'm getting in. I'm going to take as much out of that as I can, and I'm getting out. Done. 2 trades, in the market, less than 45 minutes total altogether, probably, or less than an hour. And we had huge movement, huge opportunities. The pain is now, after being in a winning trade, if you didn't take anything off the table, or if you got stopped out, or if you took a loss today in markets that were huge opportunities. They're learning opportunities, because hope, greed, and fear are the things that will interfere with you being able to execute, manage, and either take profits or get out of a loser, or take money off the table, or get in, fear of getting in. And then if you get stopped out, your fear of getting into another trade, or if you have profits, then you get hope and elation and overconfidence and you overtrade. So the pain is if you make mistakes, or if you don't get in, or if you don't take money off the table, or if you sized in counter trend and you took a huge loss. All these things are all the opportunities to learn, because these markets, and I don't care if they go to digital currencies or anything else. That's not even on. I don't even think about that. I'm thinking about today. What can I do today to maximize my opportunities in the markets that we're trading in today, right now? That's it. Nothing else. Protect your downside. Maximize your upside when you get an opportunity for easy money. Lock it in. Rinse and repeat. It's got to be rinse and repeat. Otherwise, every day is 50-50. Make it rinse and repeat. Focus on the best trading setups. Lock in the money. Get off the screen. Get out for a walk with your daughter or your sons or your other significant other and enjoy your day. Get to the gym and have a workout. Have a great day, traders. Unbelievable markets, unbelievable opportunities, and these market conditions are not going to go away anytime soon. Focus on maximizing your opportunities, minimizing your screen time, 1% better every single day, and may the markets go with you.